What's good, everyone? This is Chris, hey, through Sacramento Realtor. We've got another home tour here for you in Sacramento. We'll not be having any scenic tours just because of what's going on, hence the gloves. I hope everyone is staying safe and doing what you can to help out. And I will be having a podcast coming out pretty soon just to address what's going on in the area and then what's going on in the U.S. So we'll be doing that. Also, we have an Amazon gift card giveaway. All you have to do is be a subscriber, leave a comment, stay tuned to the end to see who this winner will be. Let's do it. All right, everyone. This is a nice big old home in 5024 Trueville Lane here in the Natomas area, specifically in the Westlake Community. And then about a couple minutes away, you got the actual Westlake. Take a look at that. This home is 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, almost 2,200 square feet, and I'm gonna take you around. So I'm a little bit rusty too. All right. So when you first walk in to your left, you got your closet right here. Come out from that. Pan it back out. So this is your family room, dining room combination. You can tell from the light fixtures. Plenty of outlets for you to plug anything up. Okay. On the first floor, we're gonna have 2 types of flooring. We've got the tile and the laminate flooring. You can see right here, looks pretty good. All right. And now the first bedroom is down here with the full bathroom. I'm gonna take it right, and then this is the bedroom right here. Bigger windows. Come around here so I can pan it out so you can see. Pretty nice, decent size. And then ideally you'd want this if you do not like having stairs, or if you have a bigger family and someone would like to stay downstairs. Maybe you have a parent-in-law. Yeah, that's what I see it being utilized a lot as. Also, you can have it as an office. This is your full bathroom. Right here, nice little fixtures, nice little shelf. Yeah, and this home was built in 2003. To the garage. Yeah, what you'll notice in Natomas, a lot of the homes out here were built in the early 2000s and up, except for South Natomas or original Natomas. Those were built in the 80s. Come around here, an entire garage for you. It's actually a pretty big garage. Got some shelving out there for you too. Yeah. This way. Back into the family room, dining room combo. Also in Natomas, all the parks here count for 1/3 of all the parks in the Sacramento area. Now we're entering the kitchen. And then also another living room with the fireplace. This one is gas fireplace, and this is where you can hook up your TV. Definitely, you can tell it's built in the early 2000s because we definitely had the plasma TVs back then. It's a little dark in here. Yeah, just because, sunset. So here we're in the kitchen. Fairly new appliances. Got your island right here. And in a lot of the homes that were built, the newer homes that were built had the tile countertops, and those were the standard designs. Unless you want to do upgraded, then you can do like granite, quartz, marble, and all that. Good. Same thing with the cabinets. These were the standard ones that the home builders have built onto here. If you wanted different ones, you could, but with most of the homes, they come in like that. And then with newer homes, they are on smaller lots. Let me show you right here. Just look for a quick second. And then a lot of homes out here were built, a lot of the homes out here have stucco siding, which is super efficient, especially out here in California. It's not so humid like on the East Coast. And the roof is made out of tile as well. And this is a pantry closet slash storage combination. You'll see what I'll talk about here in a second, because you see you got your shelving here, but then look all the way back there, you got storage under the stairs. I'm gonna show you too. See? It's a little dark, but yeah. The upstairs, the rest of the bedrooms are up here. 2 of the regulars and the master. Got the higher ceiling here for you. And then yes, the walls are painted kind of a cream color. Cream yellow. And I have no idea if that is the actual color, but that's what it looks like to me. All right. Take you over here to the first bedroom. Go. This is looking like a 10 by 10 with a nice walk-in closet. Yep, walk-in closet, some shelving. Okay. Take you to the other ones. This is the second one. A little bit bigger. With 2 windows. I want to pan it out for you. Now we've got a laundry room right here with some shelving there for you. And it's got the fan too, so well, if it ever gets a little humid in there, I'll take that away. Your second full bathroom. There you go. Yeah, and I think that is quartz. Marble, excuse me, that's marble. All right, now we're going to go to that master bedroom. This is pretty big right here. It looks like it's 12 by 14. Yeah. Got 2 windows here for you, so you have some natural light. Can't really tell right now because of the sunset, but, and it's setting west, not like that, setting west. So definitely in the evening, you'll get more sunlight exposure in here. Now, this is a master ensuite. You got 1 sink for you, 1 sink for whoever, your partner, whoever. Nice bathtub right here. Really big too. Definitely long days. Matter of fact, days we have to stay inside all day, that can easily take about an hour or 2 out your day. Make it go by just a little bit faster. Okay. And you got this big old walk-in closet. Thing is deep. Man. So that is it for our home tour today. And special shout out to Andres De Leon, or De Leon. You can correct me if I'm wrong. Either way, you are the winner of the Amazon gift card giveaway. All you have to do is email me through the About page. And then with the 2-story home, would you prefer a bedroom and full bathroom downstairs? Or would you not? Or would you want all the bedrooms upstairs? Or just even have a 1-story? Let me know in the comments, see what you think. Definitely hit the subscribe button if you want to see more content. You can see the rest of my videos through here. Y'all have a good one. Please be safe. All right. Oh, and be on the lookout for the podcast. All right.